The people of Toronto take over Twitter with an outpouring of love for a dead raccoon. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60, and all of this could have been avoided if Toronto's animal services had done a faster job responding to a call to clean up roadkill. It all started when a concerned citizen saw a dead raccoon on a sidewalk and tweeted to the city's 311 center that it needed to be removed. That was at 9 a.m. By 3 p.m., the raccoon was still there, and passers-by started to feel sorry for it. So they created a memorial. The scene was trending on social media with the hashtag #DeadRaccoonTO. By 8 p.m., Animal Services still hadn't shown up, and the memorial grew to include candles and even a cigarette someone placed in the raccoon's paw. Then the raccoon got its own Twitter account, and a memorial fund was established in its honor. Finally, after 11 p.m., the city showed up to bring the raccoon to its final resting place. If it accomplished nothing else in its short life, the raccoon brought the city together for one day to show that every life is important, and that there's always room for improvement in city services. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.